Hello and welcome back to the new section of image formation. In this section, we'll discuss how the images are formed. Forming an image has many applications in physics and in real life. Whatever we see through our eyes, we are basically seeing the image of an object. If we are going to the movie, basically we are seeing the image of the reel. So these images, how they are formed is the question we want to answer in this section. So let's start with a simple experiment. Here we have a flower vase and we have a screen, but we can't see any image. But if you put an obstruction here with a hole and start making this hole smaller and smaller, we can start seeing some image of the object which is inverted. And if we make the hole sufficiently small, we can see a dim image here which we can capture on a film. So to form the image, we need to make sure the sufficient number of rays are actually passing through the hole and forming the image, and rest of them which are not required are not reaching to the screen. Here we have this object. Now all the rays from here are reaching the screen. Hence there is no image is forming because all the rays are overlapping each other. But if you put an obstruction here with a small hole, basically only the rays which are required to form the proper image is reaching the screen, and rest of it is getting blocked. Now same can be achieved using a set of prisms. Here if we make the hole smaller and smaller, basically we get a very low intensity image which we can hardly see, right? But if we can somehow manage to bend these rays in a way that only the rays we want is sort of passing through this instead of the hole through this set of prism or a lens, basically we can form a nice image. Here the lenses are very useful, which are sort of a combination of prisms, right? And they can form an image, sharp image of the object, and sometimes bigger and smaller as well, right? So in the next video we'll dive down into how the lenses work and other formulas which relates to the lenses in formation of image.